What is up, everybody? Today I'm gonna do a little unexpected video. Kind of pulled a little dum-dum today. I was trying to go pick up this catch can that I have in my garage. I was trying to install it into the SVO swap into my Fox body, the one that's currently running. My bad, man. It's hot as hell. But so yeah, so I wanted to go get this catch can that I had in my garage because I was having a lot of blow by. Matter of fact, I'm spilling a lot of oil, and it's burning. Every time that I turn on the car, it's just a big cloud of smoke, and I don't like having that. For one, you don't know if your rings or your valve seals are blown because you're having a lot of smoke coming out. And I had my girl turn on the car just because I wanted to check out where the smoke was coming from, and she was having like some trouble sticking the key inside of the ignition. And when we finished, she went back into the house and whatever, and I was trying to turn on the car so I could head on to the storage unit. Oh yeah, also what I was gonna do is flush my radiator. So that's what I was gonna go do, buy some oil and radiator flush fluid, and also pick up my catch can. But my switch gave out on me. Like it didn't let me stick the key in there anymore. So what I was trying to do, I did some dumb things, and check it out. So this is the donkey of the day. Since I couldn't get my key in there, I was trying to get the screwdriver in there so I could try to force it to turn it so I could get to the little switch, to the little lock pin right here. But as you can see, it was a complete fail, and now I gotta deal with this. So I mean, I already bought a brand new cylinder to replace this. They're literally $17.50. So yeah, now right now his mission is just to, I guess, drill this out or drill this out. I'm probably most likely gonna end up drilling this out because I don't think I can fit my drill to get to that little lock pin. So here we go.
Far brown crockery, 4-speed tranny, dual exhaust, dipped in sauce. My car is a beast. Catch me in the streets, sideways through the east side, boy, crunk like Lil John. Show 40 and Mac kicked the last dime. He's Oakland, the land of the sideshow. Richmond, Frisco to the Valley Joe. I'm riding sideways, this way, that way. Blows up in the traffic. Hold on, hello, sitting on them, no farting. 455 got me running up on Austin Martins. Rear end for the streets, not the freeway. Being there, shift kick, me and Daddy Fame on my celly six. Straight lace with no fucking juice. Mobbing in my old school like Lil Bruce. For like all smoke, shit, General Motors in my thigh. Cousins, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, now Chevelle can move some class. Force, all smoke, shit, General Motors in my thigh. Cousins, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, now Chevelle's can move some class.
About 15, beach range. Told niggas fuck valleys, why God was mine. Mothers on candy, don't hit me cause you ain't me. Rice fool, smoke in your face, soon. Supercharger, push this button, that's my engine starter. Pistol tuck, might be private, but my engine souped up. Foot to the floor, when you open yours, don't scratch my doors. 350, I push heavy, not a Ford. It's a Chevy, first owner, not too many miles on her. Rep the bike, we don't rep California. I'ma run you for your corno. Why you don't got SS in front of your Monte Carlo? Resident full of white folks. I'ma leave fresh time off the top of the head smoke.
For like all smoke, shit, General Motors in my thigh. Cousins, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, now Chevelle can move some class. For like all smoke, shit, General Motors in my thigh. Cousins, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, like Chevelle's muscle class.
You got a muscle car. You fucking with the muscle cars.
All right, finally got that bitch out. It cost me a little bit of time, but I guess, you know, the reason why I couldn't pull it out was because if you could see all the way down there, it has like a little slot. You know, that's that little backside. What I'm thinking is that this piece right here on the cylinder was twisted, and it was locking. It wouldn't let it come out from the inside of that cylinder over there. So I needed to twist it a little bit, just enough for me to get it in line with you know that piece, that little copper piece on the back, and yank it out. But yeah, I mean, now I'm ready. I'm just gonna clean this out a little bit, and now I'm ready to install my new cylinder. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is, you know, take off all this bullshit that I have in here. I don't think you guys can see that, but all those little shavings, I'm gonna clean it off as best as I can. I don't have an air gun, so I'm gonna try to blow all that inside stuff out with, you know, like a little a straw. You know, it ain't the best thing in the world, but it's better than nothing. I just want to, you know, get all that crap out so I don't end up with this nonsense again. For all the people that are starting to have trouble with your ignition switch, might as well get it over with as quickly as possible so you don't end up doing this. I had already plans of taking it off because I had noticed that my ignition switch was starting to trip out on me, and you know, I should have probably done this sooner. That way I wouldn't have ended up with this, you know, nonsense. But sometimes it costs you more when you're trying to be cheap. I think that looks all right. And this is my new key, AutoZone. Here's the receipt. Oop, it's right there, $17.49. So it ain't that expensive. I thought it was like $30. You know, when they told me $17, I'm like, I'm on my way. Should have just done it sooner. So pretty much that was it for me. You know, taking off that my bad. Pretty much that's how you're gonna take. That's what it's gonna take for you to remove your cylinder, your key cylinder or switch cylinder, if you don't have a key. Now let me show you how to do it if you do have a key. Literally all you gotta do is take off obviously your little bezel, you know, so you're only gonna take off that just so you can have access to that pinhole right there like I told you earlier. And where did I leave that? Whatever, I'll use something else. So literally, if you do have your key and it works and you notice that it's starting to trip out, this is what you do. You put it into the on position. You grab something that you can poke in there with. You poke it and you wiggle it out. Boom, it's out. And you grab your other one. Put it back in, switch it back out. See the little pin fell back out again. That's all you do. Literally all you gotta do to switch out your key cylinder, and that's pretty much almost for every car. They're all pretty much similar. So that's it. Later.